is Samantha and welcome to my channel. This channel is going to be all about crocheting and learning how to crochet, so there won't be a whole lot of editing because I want to show my whole process, the triumphs of finished projects, and even the mistakes that make you want to start over. So if that's something you're interested in, then please keep watching. So for the first couple of videos, I really want to focus on the basics, like learning the stitches, the magic circles, the increases, the decreases, and so much more. So for this video, we're going to learn how to make a slip knot. You use slip knots in almost every crochet project, so it's important to know how to do it. Now, not everyone makes slip knots the same. You might watch another video that makes it a whole different way, but this is how I like to do it. So you're going to take it and have your long end connected to your skein down here. And I wrap it around my hand and hold the little string with my pinky. You're going to take the long string and wrap it over the loop, wrap it around behind, and then pull up on the same string. And then you're going to pull on this little string to tighten it. And that's all, just like that. And then you can put your hook in there and tighten it. So let's do that again. So you're going to take it, wrap it around your 3 fingers, hold it with your pinky, take your long string hooked to your skein, wrap it over this loop, take it behind the loop on your fingers, and then take this loop you just put through there and pull it tight with the little string. So then you can tighten it. Just like that. That's all there is to it. So if you like this kind of content, going this slow for the very beginners, like we're starting from the basics, then please subscribe because I will be uploading a video every week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!